collect the reasons why we are out of time. We will never notice that we will die alone inside. We are finalizing what we have just begun, until we go down under all that we've built up.